Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving south on Royal Palm Way in Rio Nuevo, same as Raya Nova, towards Mahogany Close, St. Mary Parish. Turning off Royal Palm Way onto Mahogany Close. To the right is the rear of the famous Ship House. A link to the video of the Ship House is in the description. Royal Palm Way continues left towards Palm Ridge Close. Mahogany Close ends and we're turning back. Again, on the right is Royal Palm Way, which will take you onto Palm Ridge Close. Once again, on the left is the famous Ship House. Turning off Mahogany Close onto the other end of Royal Palm Way, which will take you to Pines Close, Oakland Close and onto the A3 Northern Coastal Highway. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.